Have you ever faced difficulties in finding the perimeter and area of a circle or the volume and the surface area of a cylinder? So when Zaid is here, you don't need to go anywhere. In an order, we will look at each of these calculations. So first, we will look at how to find the perimeter of a circle. So the formula to find the perimeter of a circle is pi into diameter or twice the radius into pi. The perimeter of a circle in mathematical terms is known as circumference. So if we take a string and measure the circumference of a circle, it would be equivalent to if we calculate the radius of the same circle and multiply it by 2 and multiply it with the value of pi. So for example, if the radius of our circle is 5 centimeter, and then to find the perimeter we need to multiply it by 2, which would be 10, and then we have to multiply it by the value of pi, which equals to 31.45. So now what is this pi? The value of pi is 3.14159 and is used in many cases in the world. So next is an area of a circle. So if you want to find the area of a circle, just multiply the value of pi with the square of the radius. For example, if the radius is 4, the calculation would be like this. The square of 4 is 16, and if we multiply it by the value of pi, which is 3.14159, it would give us a sum of 50.265 centimeters square, so which is the area of the circle. So now you are clear with 2D shapes, but what about 3D shapes? No worries, if you want to find the volume of a cylinder, the formula is as easy as snapping your fingers. The formula is pi r square h, which means in simplified terms pi into radius square into height, and there you get the volume of a cylinder. So now let us look at an example to follow along. If the radius is 4 cm and the height is 10 cm, then the working would be as easy as this. Pi into 4 square into 10, which is equal to 502.65 centimeter cube. So this is how you find the volume of a cylinder. The next thing is surface area of a cylinder. To find the surface area of a cylinder, we have to divide the cylinder in 3 parts. The first circle, the second circle, and the middle rectangle. To find the area of the circles, we will use the circle area formula, which is pi r square. To find the area of the rectangle, we will have to first find the circumference of the circle, which formula is pi d. And to find the total area, we will need to multiply it by the height of the figure. So the total formula would look something like this. Pi r square into 2 plus pi d into h. For example, if the radius is 4 cm and the height is 10 cm, then the surface area of the figure would be this. Pi into 4 square into 2 plus pi into 8 into 10, which gives us the value of 351.83 cm square.